When we last set foot in Gunnison, Colorado on March 10th, preparations were underway to stem the coronavirus outbreak.
There have been plans put in countywide.
Mayor Jim Gelwick said this remote community of 16,000 people was vulnerable because it's connected to the world like never before.
It is literally possible to get on a plane in Gunnison, go to Houston, and be in Italy tomorrow.
That same day, Gunnison County saw its first COVID-19 case. The area quickly became a virus hotspot, prompting local officials to clamp down on all visitors.
When the initial order came out, there was a bit of a sense of urgency.
Spokesperson Andrew Sandstrom says an expected influx of thousands of people celebrating the annual spring break represented a potential health threat.
There was concern not only that they would come and be exposed and bring it home, but also that the impacts on our healthcare system would be unmanageable.
Then on April 3rd, Gunnison announced it would stop all non-resident homeowners from entering the county. That was too much for the state of Texas, where a number of the 8,700 Gunnison homeowners whose primary residence is out of state live. In a strongly worded letter to Gunnison County, Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton said the order discriminated against non-resident homeowners, depriving them of their rights.
There have been states that have tried to kick Texans out, even though they have homes in other states. I don't think that's constitutional.
Paxton disputed suggestions that second homeowners would be at greater risk for contracting COVID-19 because of Gunnison's higher elevation, and that those homeowners would overburden county services.
To my mind, it's a proportional response to the extent of the threat that we're facing.
Craig Conniff of the University of Colorado Law School says a measure like Gunnison's may be unusual, but it's not unheard of. More than a century ago, the state of Louisiana successfully kept a French ship from docking on its shores out of concerns about the possible spread of yellow fever.
Really, the issue is, can you exclude people from other states? And under existing Supreme Court precedent, the answer is yes.
Gunnison has since amended its health order to allow non-resident homeowners who've been in the county for 2 weeks prior to the directive to stay. In 1918, Gunnison erected barricades and enacted quarantines to block the spread of a global flu pandemic. Now it's acted aggressively once again.
Our whole goal of this is safety is our #1 priority.
Whether the folks in Texas like it or not. Hendrik Sabrandi, CGTN, Denver.